If you're trying to stream your favorite shows, play online games without lag, or just protect your digital life from snooping eyes, then you're probably already considering a VPN. But not all VPNs are built the same. In this video, I'll show you how to get NordVPN, one of the top-rated VPNs for speed, streaming, and privacy at a massive discount using a verified coupon link. This isn't one of those enter 12 different codes and hope one works kind of deals. Just scroll down, click the link in the video description, and your discount is instantly applied. It's fast, clean, and gives you the lowest rate NordVPN is currently offering. Let's talk about why NordVPN is especially great if you're a streamer, gamer, or privacy-minded internet user. For starters, the server speeds are insane. Unlike many VPNs that slow everything down, NordVPN's entire network is optimized for performance, including streaming Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and even region-locked content you normally wouldn't have access to. If you're gaming, the low latency connections and stable ping give you the protection you need without the lag you don't. And when it comes to security, you're covered. NordVPN uses next-gen encryption and follows a strict no-logs policy. Your browsing stays private, your data stays yours, and your IP stays hidden from ISPs, advertisers, and trackers. So what's included with the current plans? The basic plan gives you all of the VPN essentials: encrypted traffic, ultra-fast speeds, malware and ad blocking, and apps for every device. The Plus plan is for those who want a little more, adding Threat Protection Pro to keep your device safe from malicious content, even outside of VPN connections. You'll also get NordPass, a password manager with breach alerts. And the complete plan gives you the full privacy suite, including 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage so you can back up personal files securely and access them from anywhere. All plans come with support for 10 devices per account, 24/7 customer service, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. So it's flexible and privacy-friendly from the start. If you're serious about browsing without limits, unlocking content from anywhere, or staying anonymous while gaming and streaming, NordVPN is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Click the link in the description to activate your discount and get started right now. Need help installing or picking a server for streaming? I've linked a quick tutorial to walk you through it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your secure, unrestricted internet with NordVPN.